Yo guys, in today's video I will show you how to add an adjustment layer in CapCut. Launch CapCut and start new project. In a native interface, look for Media tab. Switch to Adjustment tab by clicking on it. Click the plus button to add custom adjustment layer to your project. Once adjustment layer is added, you can adjust its duration. You can set it to cover the entire length of your project or specific portion. Click on Adjustment layer to select it. Use available tools and options to apply effect, color grading, or any other adjustment you want. This layer will affect everything beneath it in timeline. Now play your project to preview how adjustment on adjustment layer impact underlying clips. Once you are satisfied with adjustment, you can export your video. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video.